In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. So first thing you want to do is check if Instagram needs updating. So leave Instagram, go to Play Store, and then search for Instagram. Over here, you want to check if it needs updating. If it does, simply update it and it could fix your problem. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then you might want to go to the settings and clear the data of Instagram. So go to the settings and search for apps. Click on apps, and inside of apps you want to search for Instagram. And over here you simply want to clear data, so go to storage and clear cache and clear data, and then delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal stuff in Instagram. So after you do this step, you want to go back to Instagram and check if this fixes your issue. So here, notice how Instagram logged me out because I cleared the data. So I'm just gonna log back in really quickly. So if this doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is go back to Instagram. Go back to the phone settings and then search for apps again. Click on apps and search for Instagram again here. And then you want to go to permissions and allow all permissions, just like that. Give permissions for everything. And then you want to go to notifications and allow notifications like this. And you want to make sure all of these are enabled. As you see here, make sure they're all enabled. And then the next thing, you might want to check if this actually has fixed your issue. But if this still hasn't fixed your issue, then it might be a problem with your phone storage. So if you go to your phone storage, go to files, you should be able to see how much space you have. If your phone is full and you don't have any available, let me just click here. If you don't have any available space in your phone, that could be what's causing this problem. So free up some space and this could fix your issue. And right now, if this doesn't still fix your issue, then there's one thing that could be causing this, which is VPN. Check if you have any VPN connected. So to check, you can simply go to settings, go over here and then search for VPN. Click on VPN and here you can check. As you see, I'm not connected to any VPN, so that's if you were connected, make sure to disconnect by following these procedures. Now, if VPN is not the issue here, then it could be because of cellular data on Instagram. So go to Instagram, go to your profile, click at the top right, go all the way down, click data usage and media, and make sure data saver is turned off, because this could be the reason causing this issue. And hopefully this should fix your issue. But if this still hasn't fixed your issue, then you might want to try updating your phone. So if you go to the phone settings again, go back here, scroll all the way down, you're gonna click on system at the bottom and then click software update and check if your phone needs any software update, because sometimes simply updating your phone software could fix the issue. And hopefully this should be the final solution and fixes your issue. But if you're still having an issue, then your last chance is to simply uninstall and reinstall Instagram, and hopefully this should be the final fix. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.